Hello, Erin Manatlaw here, a Rappler correspondent in Caloocan City. We are now in Bagumbong Elementary School in District 1, North Caloocan, where voters are currently facing extreme heat, faulty automated counting machines, and missing names on their master lists. So upon coming here, a 51-year-old newly registered voter shared to us na nakapila siya since 8 a.m. and upon entering her precinct a few hours later, the electoral board barred her from and did not allow her to vote because they did not find her name on any of their master lists. So she was directed to election watchdogs PPCRV sa stage area nitong school, and they directed her naman to the Commission on Elections mismo. So COMELEC has no representative at the moment here, pero the principal of the school acts as the head of the whole electoral process. So according to her, per COMELEC's rules, they are not allowing at all to vote. They're not allowing for voters to vote if hindi nila makita yung names nila on any of their master lists to avoid discrepancies. So there are also reports of faulty automated counting machines or ACMs here. So according to their principal, nakakaramdam na raw sila na magkakaroon ng sira yung ACMs. And as of the 41 na ACMs dito sa school, meron ng isang nag-reject na ng ballots fully and hindi na nila magamit, and some are already having laggy and glitchy screens. So to top it off, voters are also beating the extreme heat ngayon. So makikita natin na everyone has their own umbrellas, water and pamaypay, handheld fans, just to wait for their relatives or to wait for their turn din para bumoto. So Bagumbong Elementary School is the 9th vote-rich polling place according to COMELEC's list. So despite these issues, Caloocan residents are still coming and going simula kaninang umaga to exercise their right to vote. So again, reporting for Rappler, Erin Manatlaw here in Caloocan City, Rappler.